Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, stop the move to recycle bin prompt in Windows 11. First method is change recycle bin properties. Second method is change registry settings. Change value data to 0. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.